Hello.
Hello, everybody. Tagafollow.
Magandang gabi.
Maayong kapi. Kaninyong tan.
Maayong kapi.
Nawala.
Sineng.
Is not.
So, nawala ka.
It's gone.
Hi, Madam Zai, Silver Moon. Sa ngalan ng buwan.
Ay, we're live.
Wait lang.
We live na good ta. Hello, everybody. Thank you for watching us. It's our first live. It's our first live for the Midnight Unicorn Club. And we're supposed to have a music, pero hindi siya nag-work out now. But, yeah, we're here. Wait lang. Hi, Vinesh. So we have people from India and I.
Hello.
So this is the Midnight Unicorn Club, and
Good evening.
I'm Sparkle for this evening. And with me are our moderators. Hello, Zai Silver Moon. Oh, you really have your Silver Moon costume. Me, I'm just the like Sparkle, like the unicorn from, My Little Pony. Tama ba? But sige. And then, of course, one of our moderators, we have Darlene. Please introduce yourself.
Darlene.
Hello, Darlene from Bicol. Darlene. Okay. We have 8 million viewers.
Wow, 8 million. Hello, 8 million.
Hello, 8 million viewers.
So what will you say to the 8 million viewers? And we will now introduce our panelists since one of our moderators can... one of our moderators still not talking. So we will have... Yeah, introduce yourself. Moderator number 1. Who would like to go first? Sorry, panelist number 1.
Buhangin.
Hello, everything. Me representing the land of sands, colorful twilight shine.
Hello, colorful twilight shine. Next, we have the second panelist.
From the north.
Panelist from the north.
Yes.
Actually, we have 2 panelists from the north.
Yeah, from the north and there.
Hello, panelists from the north. Ate Rio, would you like to
Land of
introduce
Rain.
yourself?
Hello, everyone. I'm Maria Reyno. And welcome to the Unicorn Club.
Hello, Ate Rio. And next we have, last but not the least, the one drinking coffee.
It's Kokoshi.
Kokoshi pala, sorry. It's midnight, so Abby's not drinking coffee.
Hello. Hello, everyone. Hello, everything. I am Abby Biduya from Davao, but now in Manila.
Wow. Hello. So our panel and moderators are complete and
North.
BTS. And we have people watching. We have Joe Samura from Bolivia. Oh, sabi niya watching from Bolivia. So he's currently teleporting. And that is a wonderful gift that he has. And you can learn from him. He has a class, Teleporting 101. And today we will be talking about anything under the sun. Actually, someone is asking na, what are you gonna talk about? So the Midnight Unicorn Club was created to accompany you if you cannot sleep at night. It's now 11:38. Why are you still awake like us? And really want to, we really want to also sleep. But we're taking this time out this evening to be with you. And you can ask any questions from love, money, relationship. Basta PG lang po. Wag lang po yung kasi ang Facebook we have here. Kid-friendly content. So that's why we're using unicorn and rainbows and magic. So if you have any questions, like if something is bothering you, you feel sad and you want, people to, give you counsel. Do you still do that? Counsel or give you questions, more questions in your life. We can give that to you. So yan po yung aming gagawin. Hello po, Tita Babe Acosta. Hello, hello. Hello, Aisha. And hello, Ate Vane. Thank you for watching from Binangonan, Ate Vane.
Hello,
and Ate Tina. Hello. Greetings, fellow brujas. For people who cannot sleep at night, this is what they call witching hour. Witching hour bang 12, actually 3 a.m. We're just a bit early because we also want to do our own thing. So Zai, would you like to share something?
Ang totoo, why we're still up kasi it's midnight snack time. That's why. So, coffee?
Yeah, coffee. We have your coffee and your tea and your kokoji. So we have our coffee, and one we're using is Cordyceps coffee. So actually, Cordyceps not, they say not good thing for evening, but I'm a mushroom girl, so I can intake. So Abby's drinking kokoji. There you go. You can see.
No, I just drank Lindsay. So I can't show you yet. Cheret.
Okay. So yeah, just add on whatever it is that you want to talk about. Maybe you the panelists can share whatever, how's your day, how's your week, how's your quarantine life, what have you been learning, what have you been creating. Just maybe share whatever it is that you want to share, because don't worry about whether people would want to listen. One thing I got from Dr. Rajesh is that whatever that you want to share is something that people would like to hear. So it's you can share anything, because the people who are watching will be the right people that will listen to you and your story.
And with that, I will share.
Yeah, I will share.
I am hearing myself, Inception. So, but today is Monday, and I was asked to drive my partner sa work niya, and I was a little bit anxious because Manila traffic, and the drive around here is not that easy if you need to get somewhere fast. So earlier, surprisingly, it was nice weather. There was no traffic at all. I got to take pictures like how I always like this seeing the sky in between tall buildings. So nice. So like blue skies and stuff like that, and then so you enjoy traffic, you enjoy the red stoplight. So anyway, so just cruising through from my place to Makati and back and forth, I thought it would take like 2 hours usually. Surprisingly, it just took an hour, and although I got lost, so it could have been shorter. I got lost pabalik, but yeah, it got me thinking na parang it made me like appreciate like how clear the sky is, and it's a Monday, no traffic. It was an easy ride, so it was nice. Just made me more appreciative of today. So I'm wondering if I can still do it tomorrow. So I don't know, maybe.
What if you can do it every day?
Yeah.
But thank you for the share, Abby. That's lovely. Appreciating everything that is around you, and despite what happened, you were still able to find the silver lining, which is yan naman talaga ang ano ng being a unicorn, is finding the silver lining, and that's the essence of the Midnight Unicorn Club. It's whatever it is that you're going through, whether you feel like unlucky or what. But I'm not. I think I'm small. Hindi ako unlucky. Hindi ako unlucky. So nag-joke ko. Okay, supposed to be a joke. Dry joke. But okay, just to warm up everybody, we can share about anything and then find the silver lining, and that's wonderful. Thank you, Abby, for your gift and your contribution tonight. And Joe is here. Nag-ingon siya na namukaw daw siya og lalaki na friend. So thank you. We will receive that. Kaya para daw makita ang akong kaanyag. Hello, mga boys. Willing to receive. And hello, Janelle. Janelle, long time no see. Yon for. Our best friend watching us. And Fanny. Fanny is watching us.
Hi, Fanny.
Ingon ni Joe.
Nagtubag na ko. Naligo ko kaganina. So, bago ko mata karon, at least nakahilamos ko. O inaani ako buhok, Jai. Oh.
Kathy, hello, Kathy. Nice to see you, Kathy. And
nice, Cheryl is watching.
Also here, Ate Zarina has a question. Just want to ask everyone, like myself, I shut down the news and don't think about what's happening with the world right now. Is it normal not to care at all? Though I follow COVID protocols and reach out to friends and talk about how they are and all. So anybody from the panel who would like to answer that?
Okay, I'd like to share.
Yes.
All right. At first, during the quarantine, I wanted to stay informed, so I follow news related to COVID and how to stay safe or healthy, or at least prevent it from spreading, like lalo na in the household. And then, but what I noticed in the beginning is that I'm kind of absorbing all the fears around me, even in social media. So there was a time that I shut off really from reading all this news, and then later on I noticed that positivity exists or is thriving in social media, and then a lot of people are finding ways to entertain themselves. Number one, I really enjoyed Miss Everything. Hello, Everything. She was the number one talaga na really entertained me and really spread just good vibes and make me laugh. So I followed her videos, series, or features about her because other than, of course, making sure that we are healthy, we're eating right, of course, laughter really is a very good medicine in this time of uncertainty. So, yun yung mga good vibes. Tapos yung si DJ Lunya is like dancing. So, if I want to have variety in my exercise during the day, so try to follow the steps and all. And but there are different stages of me following information in social media. Right now I'm kind of shutting off reading news about Black Lives Matter. Not that they don't matter, and not that I'm not concerned, but I just thought that it's just a distraction for people, generally. So it's something that's resurfacing to divert people from focusing on themselves, as well. So I try to shut off from that news. But recently, really my analytical mind is being, challenged. So I'm trying to challenge the numbers or the statistics ng at least in Davao lang, in Davao region, kasi we're always seeing the number of positives and people react because my friends from other group chat, for example, they react to that. So in a way, I wanted to divert the attention, not really just divert, but really let them be informed of what to do. So I'm trying to analyze the numbers. So I'm looking at data on how to somehow give information to at least my circle of friends para, they get to be informed, not to be reactive of the news. Kasi in general or the collective, ganun ang tao eh. They just react whatever they see. They react on Kim Chu and everything. So, right now, kay mag-GCQ niya, I just wanted to set the tone that people should always be informed so that they can be cautious and the information will help them. So, I, based on the information that I absorb or I consume, depende siya sa what's light for me, what I wanted to contribute more to my community or to my circle. That's it.
Wow, lovely input, Ate Jenny. For Ate Zarina's question, I hope we answered your question. Anybody would like to add more that it's okay to shut down from the news now and then and balance? Anybody would like to add? Pwede Tagalog, pwede Bisaya, because we have
Korean.
Yeah, you can.
Achar lang.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeong.
Opa!
So apart dun sa share lang po na apart from katong share earlier, aside sa mag-shutdown social media, I did try that. It was helpful a bit, but then I remembered na Facebook is the only way my mom would see updates about me, like posting pictures and whatever. So I had to go back. So my alternative is K-drama. Hello, Netflix. So hi, I'm sponsored by so yeah, so I have K-dramas and stuff. I work out. I try that. So like what she said earlier about following to keep informed. I did that. I try to follow those who are of sound mind. Kasi it's kind of difficult right now to follow certain people na driven by emotions. So it's hard because you're trying to see what is the bigger picture. So it kind of helps, following people with the sound mind. So anyway, I realized just today na I've been following a lot of those. So I just unfollowed them because it's suffocating. So yeah, so I'm just going back to my K-dramas and all my other shows waiting for me on Netflix. So that's one way for me to shut out the toxic the toxicity of it all, and joining Sonia and our tea sessions and everything.
Yes, so
and
true.
everything.
Marami po tayong activity. Our Talk Tribe has created so many activities during the quarantine. We have Life Behind Bar sessions every Wednesday, 3 p.m. Every day we have 7-Eleven Sunya. Tea Time Thursdays. We do it only on Zoom before, but now what we do is we do it live. So, yan yung difference. Ngayon, we do it live. So, this session could have been private, but we're including everyone. But if you really want to join, we still have those private sessions. So I hope we answered you, Ate Z, and hope you can join us in our sessions. It has helped us to create more in this quarantine, and it has made us very pagka-tanawong to do this live. If you know us from the past month, we wouldn't be doing this, I think. But yeah, things are changing, and this is one way to support everybody. So anybody would like to add, or we move on to the next question by Janelle?
Sure. Next question, please.
Saan pagpahamis, te? Okay, Zai, answer that.
Ikaw sa.
Susunya.
Ikaw to, Hamis.
Cleanse, tone, and moisturize. Yun lang, basic. And for now, I use aloe vera series ni DXN. That's what I've been using. And then you alternate it with Ganoshi E series on the next set. After you finish the first set, you do the Ganoshi E series. But for now, I'm on rotation. So parang base lang, naka-rotate po siya. So aloe vera po hanggang maubos. So yon. How about you, Zai? And of course, Sunya and drink lots of water. Zai.
Aloe V.
Yeah.
O sa ba? Ingon ni Amy kay Poria daw. So I always take Poria. O yeah. Inom tubig tapos wala na may mga wala. Ganda lang talaga, tsaka prayers, tsaka Sunya.
Yeah. So true. Anybody?
Tsaka bars.
Bars, yeah. Have your bars run. Okay, when you clear your belief system, bars is a body process that we offer. I think most of us here are bars practitioners. We do bars. Actually, we do it daily, pero on our own. But it's best done when someone does it for you. And it can clear a lot of belief systems, and it can, erase limiting belief systems, and it can help you to receive more, and you can receive, glowing skin. So those are the inward things that we can, yun ang mga that we can do. So yon. Yes.
Napa. Ako adong durian fudge. Ug uban pa.
Yes. Of course.
With consciousness attached.
So true. I've been eating it every week, like twice a week or 3 times a week.
DXN lang talaga, Besh. DXN,
yes,
tsaka Sunya.
And Ate Rio, I've been silent, Ate Rio. Ate Rio.
I've been shocked na ako.
na siya, live shock.
Live shock na. I thought we're gonna watch lang, like support lang.
Hindi. Kasama kayo, Padelis. So we have Nay Cheryl is watching us. Hello, Nay Cheryl.
Hello, Nay.
How about you at Rio? Do you have something to share about any of the things?
Siyempre, first time, di ba? Ilang months na sigurong nag-start kayong mag-Zoom, something like that, before ako nag-join, di ba? Pero, lately, it's, malaking tulong talaga sa akin yung pag-comeback ko pa, yung pag-renew ko sa DXN ko na hinahanap ko talaga yung DXN. Yung lifestyle ko sa DXN. Yun. So, it feels really great right now on my part. Personally na yung dati kong ginagawa, hindi yung dati kong sa pagdi-DXN ko, yung joy na nabibigay niya sa akin is different talaga. Napakaganda. Thankful din po ako kasi nakita ko nagse-search na, open up ko kay Aplentina, nagse-search ako ng mga books to read, something like that. Tapos, I don't know, hindi ako makapag-decide kung ano talagang books yung gusto kong mabasa. Pero gusto ko yung all about business, yung connected sa business kasi mag-start back again ako sa network. Tapos, yun, thankful, nakita ko po yung joy of business, nakapag-start na rin ako magbasa-basa. Tapos yun, nagiging productive po yung daily life ko recently after yung maka-join po ako sa ganito. So I'm very, very excited talaga na, oh, may ano ulit yung Fox Tribe. I wanna join. Uh, um, I I told my partner, sabi ko, I feel like I found the people what I'm looking for. Sabi ko, I feel like I wanna go fly in Davao na right now. Sabi ko, sabi niya, oh, sige, sabi niya. He can talk Tagalog na. Sabi niya, sige, okay, go ahead. Pero, yun, everything is in moderation naman. And I'm so happy po talaga. I'm grateful na makasali ako or maka-watch man lang or na nare-relieve yung heavy feeling before away from my DXN. Napupuno na po ngayon. So, thankful talaga. At ang ganda. Ang ganda nito. Nahiya pa talaga ako.
It's okay. It's your first time, so it's okay. And thank you for the share, Ate Rio. For those who don't know Ate Rio, she's currently in Manila, right, Ate?
Yes, nasa Manila
yes.
po.
And Abby is also in Pateros.
Let's meet, charot.
Sabay
ganun.
Someone to talk to and part of the Fox Tribe. You can meet Abby. And Ate Rio has recently joined us, I think, for the past 2 to 3 sessions in Love Your Freedom with Crown Ambassador Neng. And also a lot of Zoom calls already about self-mastery, sunya, although wala pang sunya kay Ate Rio, but a lot of self-mastery class sessions with us. And yun, that's the result of Ate Rio's journey. And thank you for sharing your story and what has been going, what has been your experience the past month. And for those who are just jumping in on Facebook Live, hello to Marie Chris Zosa, Gian Shapno, hello Gian, and magsunya daw si Janelle para makatulog. Ate Zarina, I'm glad I'm normal. Actually, Ate Zarina, you're not normal. We're not trying to be normal here. That's why we're called the Midnight Unicorn Club. We're not normal people. Ate Zarina, you're not normal. We are not normal. Okay. So, pack up na daw kay the new normal. Then, di lang ko mag-share sa akong ritual tagagabi, iba off nila on Zoom. So, unsay mo ang ritual every night? Can you share to us? Janelle, pag-share sa. So for those who are jumping in, we have 17 million viewers. You can ask any question.
Wow.
Love, relationship, just all rated PG, okay? All, what's bothering you right now, or I don't know, any happy share. What is it? What can we contribute to your life tonight? What can we contribute to you tonight? Do you have any burning question? Do you have some trouble, some worry? So we have a lot of people right now with us, with the Joes. They are on the Facebook Live and they can also assist you. Nagyapit trabaho sila Joes, no? Pero yeah, so anybody from the panel, do you have any questions or anything parang i-open up? Currently, no questions from the Facebook, live. Right now, they're just affirming what we just talked about. Any parang burning concern?
Okay, my favorite question.
Yeah.
Sa kadaghan akong favorite questions. So for the panelists and sa mga naga-watch right now, what's your happy today?
Okay, yeah, I think that's a wonderful thing to share. Okay, so everybody on the Facebook Live, you can share what's your happy today, and let's generate a good vibe, even though It's now midnight, 12:02. We're now living up to our name. What's your happy today? For me, my happy is being here with you right now and doing our pilot session for Midnight Unicorn Club with all of you. How about you guys?
Me, my happy for the past few weeks is Naruto. Because my dad is binge watching on Naruto since the little kid in the house watches cartoons and the lolo is bored. So he'd rather watch, ma-action na cartoons like Naruto. And Naruto is so naughty. So I always laugh together with the little kid here who's also naughty, who's attracted to naughty ways of cartoons. So she is also cartoonish. So for the past few days, that's my happy. And Saturdays, I feel happy volunteering in EA sessions. Because my happy is something that, makes me want to live my purpose. Not just, on screen, whatever, analyzing stuff. Analyzing money that isn't mine, Char.
Now it's yours.
Yes. And of course, always Zoom calls with unicorns like you. Everyone, everything.
So true. Thank you for sharing, Ate Jenny. So just to pick up on that, Jones is a big fan of Naruto Uzumaki. So he's very happy.
Sa may apelido niya, Naruto.
Uzumaki.
Shippuden. Oh, a cat has passed by.
Yeah.
Sinihan. Pirated.
So I think it's Abby's time to share.
Huh?
What's your happy today?
Oh, my happy is seeing the clouds outside. It's so nice. As in, like it, because move furniture around, so my desk I could see like the window from here. So during mga afternoon or paggabi, I could see it from here. I'm like, oh, it's so nice outside, and then I'm just sipping my coffee.
Wow.
Listening to good music and just working. And so nice. That's my ultimate happy today.
Wow. Love that share. That's very serene. Thank you for taking us there with you. Because I can imagine what you are seeing. The clouds and sipping the coffee. Lovely, lovely, lovely. How about Zai?
My happy, ako ang question, ako answer, sige. What's my happy today?
Rio first. Ask siya mag-answer.
Sige.
We're also asking the audience, okay, what's your happy? Share it on your comments. We'd love to hear what's your happy. Yun. Ate Rio or Darlene? Bubble?
Ako na, sige. My happy today is I got this yung opportunity na ma-invite at maka-join dito sa Unicorn Club. I feel like I'm with the people what I'm looking for.
Oh, dear child.
Honest, talaga, like, so joyful. So, basta, I'm happy seeing you. We're all happy po and sobra calm lang.
Wow, nice.
Yeah.
Thank you for the share, Ate Rio. How about you, Bubbles? Darlene Bubbles? Darlene Bubbles, share. Yeah, she's very happy.
Our keyboard warrior. Ang galing-galing.
Bubbles.
Hi.
Hello, Bubbles. Bubbles.
My everyday happy is feeding the cats.
Wow.
And also, podding my sister.
Wow, ako. So, sige,
Thank you
that
for that contribution, Darlene. Nasali na kami din. Salamat.
mas talk and pod sa aming lahat. Interesting. Sige, sige.
It's not you. It's a relationship I have with you.
Oh, long. Wow, kuya, wag isa ka makunin.
Okay.
Of course. Isa akong ate.
Yeah.
So, destroying and uncreating.
Yes.
Okay, destroy and uncreate everything that you were yesterday.
Yes.
Yeah.
And expanding my relationship with everyone and everything.
So everything that your relationship was yesterday,
Yes.
you now destroy and create.
Smash it.
Kill it.
Kill it.
Yeah.
So with that, because of Darlene's laughter, a lot of people have shared their happy on Facebook. Ate Zarina
Yes.
said, maski 3 months na tawala nag-meet up, we can keep in touch and I can feel the good vibes whenever we do Sunya, Zoom, or FB Live. Yes, we're just spreading love and light. And whenever you have a conversation with your tribe, you're actually creating more magic and miracles in your life. That's why we're inviting everybody to play with us. So, Joe said, "My happy today kay nakapalit ko og beer mug na 750 ml. Beer na lang ang kulang." Yes, when the liquor ban gets lifted, we can definitely give you beer, Joe. And Fanny, hello Fanny, I'm happy for Pia. Kay iyang check kay lamion og aware. Gikilig ko sila maong na happy ko. Wow. Even the mga artists can actually give us happy. Thank you, Fanny, for that contribution. Happy.
Can I
for
also...
Yes, please share.
Okay, so meron din tayo mga nag-comment sa Mystic Angels na live. We have... Yes, I'm here. So we have Jason, Lala, Miss Dorothy. Nag-share po sila sa ilang mga happy today. And Isa is also watching us. So Miss Dot, yes, Miss Dot said na her happy daw is watching us right now. And unsa daw atong pagwapa. So Miss Dorothy said, "My happy this morning is joining your magical, bright, and happy unicorn vibes." Oh, what else is possible?
Doesn't get any better than this. And yeah, share more happy.
Share more happy. Get your happy on. Get happy and stay there. So Jason said, "Naminaw sa inyo akong happy tonight."
Oh, Jason, super.
Thank you, Lala. Lala Han is here also. She's from Nepal.
Wow,
hello Lala.
Hello, Lala from Nepal. Hope we can go there soon. Invite us. That's why we're also doing this live. So we are also inviting you here in Davao, Philippines, or the Philippines in general. As soon as the ECQ gets, lifted and all the borders are, non-existent, wala na. So we can, fly anywhere. And hello.
And Isa, hello Isa, hi Beb.
Hello,
Isa, our frontliner. She nag-serve siya sa SBMC as MedTech. Thank you so much for your contribution.
Yes, thank you to all our frontliners who have been, working hard and, giving their contribution and their gift when it comes to healthcare. Blessings to all our frontliners. We have more happy here. Faye shared, "My happy today, I was able to conduct my first lesson as an online tutor." Wow, what else is possible? Better than this. We love that kind of share. Creating also. Thank you for sharing, Faye. It's really lovely to hear that. And see Janelle, is saying, happy ko kay nakainom na kog kape. Oh, kay nipalit na si Janelle. Kay lagi daw siya sa magkerokan ni mama. Janelle, we know the story. Ate Arian made chika sa parlor. We miss you. And we remember your pizza before the quarantine, happened. Salamat tayo sa pizza. It's still
Yes.
Okay, it was the
More, please, more.
More pizza we're together at the Fox Den. We have Vanessa Villanueva from Binangoonan. Happy ko
Hello,
na
Vanessa.
Baka tawa pod kog appeal. Yogi, next time ikaw na pod ang among ibutang dere as panelist. Okay, we will rotate our panelists and the moderators. We will, rotate ourselves.
I can do that.
Hi, you can do it with your cell phone, like
yes.
Will be rotated.
Sample.
Okay. Sample. This is not a cell phone. It's a laptop. You will see everything in my, messy. So, happy surprise did ka girl karon sa office. Darlene shared to Yontor. So, Yontor lang akong ganahan itawag sa Janelle. So, happy kami, Janelle, that you're watching and listening to us. This is your mode, this is your modality, FB Live. Pwede ka mo appeal sa mong Zoom call lately. So, here. We still have, are there any more questions on the other end, sa Mystic Angels? Kasi we have cross-posted on two
Yun pa
Facebook
lang
pages.
naman.
Okay.
Yun pa lang ang nakikita ko. Okay, si Isa said, she had a rough day and na-happy ko nakapaminaw sa inyo ha. I miss you all. Oh, we miss you too.
Oh, we miss you. I remember our last, was in Sunya. Nag-Sunya tayo. No, at
Yes.
the Kunlun Mountain.
Sa Kunlun. May question si Jason.
What's the question?
Here. Sorry na, ko. Hello, Shifu. What can you say about what's happening right now in the U.S.?
In the U.S.
What's right about it that we're not getting? Yes, in the U.S.
Question there is what's right about this that we're not getting? And how do you feel about what's happening in the U.S.? You can, check what, before we react to the news and everything that we're seeing, we check, what's my truth? Is it light or heavy for you? But of course, for some people, it will become heavy, especially if we have a point of view that, a peaceful life should be, wow, I see a cat. So anyway, if it depends on the point of view. So depende ang ma-feel mo na light or heavy. But for me personally, what's right about it that I'm not getting is that for me, I don't really feel threatened. Like right now, what I'm following is how I feel and how my body feels right now. And the sensation I'm getting is it's light in a sense that it's not affecting me as it would have affected me before. If I have been watching this on my previous me, I would have been, also the same thing, kind of mag-panic and everything. But with the tools I'm using, especially doing Sunya, and I get the insight that these are things that are beyond my control. These people, you cannot control them, and they have their own agenda playing out for them. Whether they're inciting fear, anger, there are people behind that that are using them. Maybe there are innocent people there driven by anger also, and then nasabay lang, and then masabayan din sila ng mga people with agenda. So everybody there, they have their own agenda. And what we can, like for me, is what I can contribute right now is me being at peace with myself and the people around me. As long as you do, like for example, if you do Sunya, we have discussed this with Dr. Rajesh. When you do Sunya, you're actually affecting a lot of people because we are all connected. They call this the quantum entanglement, okay? Where everyone is connected. So whatever it is that you feel, if you feel peaceful, you can affect people with your peace. So if 1% of the population or 3% of the population of the world is doing sunya, we can actually affect, and change the energy or, the ano of other people. So tama talaga yung sabi ni, I think, what was it, Gandhi who said, be the change? Was it? Or I don't know who said that, but be the change you want to see in the world. So we are the ones that we're waiting for. And I'm sure Zai also has their own, input about that. Please share.
Okay. Okay. So if you have this book by Gary Douglas, si Access, kaning Access book na to, na favorite, Money Isn't the Problem, You Are. There is a tool there that he shared. Maybe you can use it. That's on page 33, The Truth and Lies. So wherever your attention gets stuck on something, you have a truth with a lie attached. So you may ask, what part of this is true and what part is a lie, spoken or unspoken?
Yeah.
So,
that's actually
so,
a good tool.
It's a tool. So what part of this is true and what part is a lie, spoken or unspoken? So, and truth is always light. So you uncover the truth by how you feel about it. And thank you.
Wow, thank you for the share, Lola, for that. Silver Moon ka pala ngayon. Ay, Zai, Silver Moon.
Silver Moon Super.
Karoon lang ako na-realize na lahi-lahi din mga nicknames. I just realized.
Ano?
Ako na, kinsa ba si Bubbles? Kinsa ba si Rhea Rainbow? Okay, let me
Kaya nga,
change.
I forgot to remind Avi, ano unicorn?
Anong unicorn name mo? Kasi,
Abby Silver.
Yeah,
Abby Silver. Abby Silver para mo
I'll check
Silver Moon.
Okay, ABCD. Okay, so I will just read this comment from Miss Dorothy. She said, I completely agree with Liberty Tina's Sweltel. Agree daw siya ni mo, Lala Earth. Nothing is what it appears to be. There are so many unknowns, and what I can do is connect with source in relation to what's happening just outside my backyard. So thank you po daw ni Jason. Jason Lalabs, Jason.
Jason, just keep doing it. You're already contributing to the world as well. You're actually, aside from doing sunya, our wonderful contribution to the earth is our happiness and joy. That's why we're doing this call, and we're doing it, June 1. Okay, June 1, 2020. And we're opening this up because we want to spread more happiness to, because whenever you see the unicorn, you can only think of, fluffy, happy things and magical things. And this is one of our contributions. Our laughter, many studies have shown that if you have been following Masaru Emoto, he's a Japanese, he's a Japanese. Si Masaru Emoto, paki-Google na lang. He studied so much about water. And he found out that if you take water, tapos nag-experiment siya, 2 glasses of water, 1 water he sent energy of gratitude, love, and everything. All the good things he sent on water. And then 1 water was sent anger. Okay? So every day he would send love to this water, and then the other water, anger. And then he took, after a week, he took samples of both water. They are from the same source, okay? Both water from the same source. But when they were checked under the microscope, yung particles ng water, or the crystal of the water, is different from the love crystal versus the water that is from anger. So that's the water that is filled with anger. So he found out that we can actually change the crystallization of water with our emotions and our thoughts. And the best contribution that we can give to our planet is our happiness. So if we're feeling sad right now, we're feeling gloomy, we're not being a wonderful contribution to the earth. So that's why we're helping you right now. We're not exactly helping, like parang take away your power, but we're supporting you in a sense that you can find happy in many things. Like Abby, even though he went to nag-journey siya on the first share of Abby, she found the silver lining. So that's the thing about finding your happy and your contribution to to our Mama Earth. So thank you for that share. Silver lining na lang daw. Yeah, please. I think
Tama.
really, basta maggamit na tatong creativity, we just come up with amazing, unique names. I even just found out na ni Tina Light Sparkle. Twilight Sparkle ba yan siya ulit?
Cutie.
Diba? Yeah. Your rainbow, colorful twilight shine. So it's really lovely. Bubble, silver lining. Wow. Wow, that's a wonderful clothing name. Diba? Clothing name or brand. So, Zai, do you have something to add to that?
Okay na ko ato. Happy na kay ko. Ay, oo, tama. So, nag-post to si, natoy from Access Good. Sorry, kasi ko gamit og Access. So, parang na-mention kasi doon na happiness, something like happiness heals the earth and unhappiness destroys it. So, di ba?
Yeah.
Mauna to siya. You just, lamit to siya nga pamalandong.
Oh, yun. Diba? Pagiging happy lang niya. Ang Pinoy is very good at being happy. Okay? Don't feed these people who love fear and anger. Okay? The best thing that we can do is laugh about it and, humor in the face of danger is actually a wonderful skill. Okay? So, Darlene is sharing another happy is an R video call with One OK Rock Davao. Shout out to the Boyzone group. Okay, Boyzone group, nagpa-shout out si Darlene. Bang Pardillo, Alex Solis, there's Kanoy, Lira Riancho, Tenshi, Sally, Romary, Lindale, Oka, Jonah, Pizarro, Boga, Kimberly Marie, Suzanne, Lina. Hello to the Boyzone group of One OK Rock Davao. Wow, kumusta naman ang SB19? Ano yung tawag na to ato? So, fuck.
18?
18?
18
18. Ano sa ito? Kanang
Army.
Pangalan sa to ang group chat ato.
Oh, Fox
taas-taas
18s.
SB19
18s Fox Kimberlo, DXN. Good morning, DXN!
Good na, maayos puntag. Buntag kayo, 12:30 na. My gosh, guys, we took an hour with everybody. And, yeah. Jos, thank you for staying up, Jos. I know it's your night at the 12 in the midnight. Kanang gabi, in Abby, wala pa na Orient. So, si Jos also joined live. Wala po siya na Orient. Kasi ngalala lang siya na live di ay siya. So, si Joe daw, young Nick would be Joe Stainless Steel Stanley.
Kabuang. That's nice.
Unicorn dancing on rainbow, although yung LSS. So, Vanessa is asking, pag magsunya, maski unsa oras, okay lang, like, okay. For sunya, the best sunya is upon waking up. That is the best sunya. Whenever you wake up, yan po yung best na sunya moment. Paggabi, it's not really recommended at night. But if sunya makes you sleep, if you're a beginner, it's okay. But eventually, if you have been doing it for like 6 months, 3 months, you will be hyped up pag magsunya. Nag-recharge ka. So that's why it's not recommended at night. Pag long time. But we're doing it at 7-11 in the evening because during the pandemic, a lot of people are stressing out on the FB pages, mga posts. So that's why we did the 7-11 every evening. And we have been doing it since March 18, I think, or 17. We have been doing it daily until today. So it has to marami daghan na ang natabangan sa kanya in that way. So thank you for that question, Tetone. So yun. Anybody? So yeah, it's 2 minutes to 12:30, and anybody from the panel would like to share more? Caterino, Darlene, Zai, Jenny, Abby.
Oh, wow. Hi, Purge. Wow, I missed that. So shout out sa Purge. Jofel and Harmon, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Harmon.
Nawala niya din yung unicorn ng ako ang kape. Si Mama lang na unicorn. Wala yung horn akong horse, dahil. Normal lang akong horse.
At sili donkey.
Ano kay Mama man ang horn, Harmon? Tapos ako, walay horn. So, yun. Next time when I go there, we order a cup na naka-unicorn. Okay, unicorn.
Pero, I am sold to Miss Sai Silver Moon earrings and necklace and earlier, diba?
Wait, ako ipakita ko ang earrings.
Yes. And it's sold already. The moon and the
Artsy Quartzy Creations.
This is Artsy Quartzy Crafts and Crystals. To follow us sa Instagram, sa Facebook. We deliver.
We deliver. Serve, deliver, and serve some more. Okay, and Maggie.
So for bracelets, it's Angels and Crystals Global. Angels and Crystals Creation.
Apil grilled tuna belly.
Yes, grilled tuna belly.
Yes, ang panga ni Bebe Boy.
By the way, guys, gina-plug na lang mga sponsors karong gabi na. Aming mga sponsors. So, ang panga ni Bebe Boy. Ginabaligyan ang mga panga ni Bebe Boy. Pwede sa i-grill, guys. Sabi kayo.
Grilled pa nga ni Bebe Boy.
Yes.
O syempre, ang mani ni Wiwi.
Ang mani ni Wiwi.
Layuman.
Tawon, the delicious.
Yes, and of course, we have this book because Daddy Licacies. So, halos tanan na nasa balay karon are doing business. We have this book, Access Book. It's The Joy of Business. It's really good to those who are doing their business or the XN business or whatever. You can get this. You can get a copy of this sa Mystic Angels and DXN Foxtrot.
I will borrow your copy, Mom Shing.
Dili ta din magstorya, che. Naka-live tati.
Funny kay mong doa. Sige lang mo din. Okay.
Pero yes, sold na ni sa imuha. Charot.
Already sold na kay Ate Jenny. Ay, si Darlene daw, at least nakado daw mag-purge siya daw, wala pa. Sige lang, Dar. Wala pang wala.
Dar, isend ako sa imo hatong virtual background nako na purge para pag mag-zoom ka.
Tawag ba kate, dapat mga tumidira sa 1OK Rock before mag-lockdown. I mean, on the day mag-lockdown. And then lockdown.
Ipatanawa sila purge ani kay sila tong promote. So anyway, we're just promoting everybody who's doing business right now and your contribution to the earth because we help each other and yeah. So si Harmon, heart Harmon. Matilawan, pangalit sa tukoy. Namalig ka sa hirap.
Uy, naapoy hipon si Bebe Boy.
Money is not the problem, you are.
Yes, money is not the problem, you are. This one, I died many times before finishing this. So you grab a copy, pero wa pa iabot. No? Nakig-riot pa dito sa States.
Wow,
sticker.
I like the sticker.
Libre siya ni Facebook.
So,
Wow.
Thank you, DXN Coffees.
Oh, thank you, DXN.
Thank you,
Lion's
Coco
Mane
Shi.
Coffee, Cordyceps Coffee, Coco Shi, Tea Latte,
Yes.
Black
Oh,
Coffee.
Up every night.
Spike
And
tea. Wait,
if
I have.
sa Malaysia, buy the Lion Tea.
Yep.
It
It will
has
keep you awake 24 hours.
It will keep you awake 24 hours. This is a crazy coffee.
Yes.
But it's
Can we
not,
pre-order Lion's Mane? I love
my
the feeling
favorite.
of Lion's
I will order from Malaysia soon. Mag-ship. Ready na ang shipping and everything. But yeah, soon.
So, manangwagan ta kay Amy.
Oo, mag-ano tayo kay Amy. Siya ang madam dito sa mga products. So, we want to support everybody. So, we have PPE, sila Ate Jen, Kuya Bong is selling.
Lemon.
Lemon.
Yan.
Ako ang durian. Ako ang sweet delights with consciousness attached.
Yes.
Di na to kalimtan.
Dorian
Okay.
Choco.
Yes, and yan. Naanak ko'y Black Magic.
Black Magic. Wow. Coffee.
Butangan siya black coffee. Black Magic.
Black Magic.
I like that. That's a wonderful name. Black Magic.
Yes, Black Magic.
Very good, very good.
Next time, sesame seeds.
Sige, mamalitaan ng sesame seeds. Nga na ko'y wire whisk. Anyway.
So thank you so much for listening and watching us. We now put on the evening for this Monday evening, and I hope we will have another session. And next time we will come up with a wonderful topic, whatever it is that you want us to talk about. Like if we focus on relationships, love, money, handling emotions, whatever that you want us to talk about. Kindly PM private message us individually, or you can message our Facebook page, the Foxtribe, or Mystic Angels if you're watching via Mystic Angels. So thank you so much. How about you guys? You say your...
So, thank you so much for joining us tonight. So katong mga naay mga sugilanon diha, pwede na ninyo ipang butang o ipang send sa mo. Let's talk about it. Okay? Let's talk about anything under the moon, under our rooftop, kisame, I mean. Ogun sa paba. And stay happy. Get happy and stay there. Yes. Hello sa mga iring ni Abby.
Hello sa mga iring ni Abby na may ambak.
Cute.
So bye. See you everyone. Our families is like
See you.
See ya.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you for being with us.
Hopefully makasulog ta. Enjoy and thank you for being with us. Hello to BTS.
Yes. Tats by Tats. Tats by
Guys who are watching this Tanggalang Villalobos. And then Larissa, Isa, Banet, and the best of for being our